Hello, welcome to next time degustation. This time I have a special beer from Poland. Browar Nepomucen Tropical Hurricane Imperial Gose. Guava, mango, calamansi, passion fruit and lime. 8.1% ABV, 19 BLG. Brace for the upcoming tropical and fruity hurricane. Here comes our Imperial Gose, and nothing will ever be the same. Wow. Ingredients: water, pilsner barley, malt, wheat malt, passion fruit pulp, guava pulp, mango pulp, lime juice, calamansi pulp, salt, hops, yeast, Lactobacillus as well. Beer is pale, unfiltered and pasteurized. Okay, here it is. Half a liter can, bought in Polish Lidls for less than £150. So let's open it and have a try. Wow, aroma is just fantastic. Look, it is beautiful beer. Light, hazy, beautiful small bubbles head, but you know what, it's just disappearing. But it is Gose, right? So perfect. Lots of mango, lots of guava, passion fruit, lovely exotic fruit cocktail. Really intense, very juicy. Wow. Right, let's have a try. Cheers. Wow, so intense in flavor. Lots of mango, lots of sourness, but the sourness is juicy. So lots of passion fruit, guava. I don't know how the calamansi tastes, but lime, yeah, mango, of course, passion fruit. Those are a little bit of soury as well. So yes, very intense flavor. I like it. It's very thick, juicy, almost like you would have pureed exotic fruit salad. Really thick. And on the end, it is a slight salty taste. So yeah, we have Gose completed, right? Wow, this is beautiful beer. Low carbonation. It just drinks like a juice. Wow, and there's no even a slight alcohol content here. Nothing. No alcohol taste, no warming sensation in the throat, nothing. So you are drinking juice. Slightly sour, slightly salty on the end, packed with loads of flavor. You know what? This is very dangerous beer. It's so drinkable, so refreshing, so nice, and still 8.1. Wow, this is good. And you know what? Like I said, in Lidl's I've paid no more than 150, because I think the highest priced beer was about 9 something in zloty, so it will be like 150. Yeah, I would like to see such a prices in Polish Lidl's, English Lidl's. Wow, and such a beers. Phew. Those beers that we have on Lidl's festival are no match for this beer. Really, this is great. Really fantastic beer. So if you only can buy, try and enjoy, this is superb beer. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as you enjoyed this beer, so please like it, please subscribe my channel, and when you've done it already, hit the notification button in the shape of the bell. It will remind you of every new video on the channel, so you'll be updated, and because of this you will not miss any new degustations. And of course remember to share this video with your friends. Na zdrowie, cheers!